Are you using beard oil? If you're not, you need to start today. Hey everyone, my name is Scott Barnes with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and in this video, we're gonna be covering why you need to start using beard oil right now. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, that way you're getting the latest and greatest from Volt. So if you haven't checked out Volt's channel in a bit, we're adding some shorts, which is a great thing for you because this way we can cover topics and subjects in a quick format. So if you can, go check it out. Now, back to the subject of beard oil. Now, in a previous video, I covered over the beard itch, and we're gonna be covering different reasons why you need to be using beard oil right now. Now, the first and most important is actually that beard oil is gonna help you prevent you from cutting or trimming or actually shaving off your entire beard, because that's the number one reason why men shave, trim, or cut off their beard completely, because of that beard itch, and beard oil is gonna help you prevent that. Why? Because it is a constant knack for those hairs to itch the skin, and this is a great way to prevent that. Not only does beard oil hydrate, but it also moisturizes the skin, and that's gonna help you and your skin not have that itch. So as your beard hairs are folding over, it's actually hitting the skin, causing the beard itch. Now, another reason is because of the excess skin that we don't shave off with that razor. So a good practice too is as we're applying the beard oil is to go ahead and rub it in with our fingers and our nails to actually exfoliate and to rub in that oil. Number two is going to be, actually studies have found that beard oil can increase your beard growth, and it's actually the activation as we scrub in is to activate those follicles. And for a lot of people that are struggling out there with the beard growing game, this can help you out. Now, it's not for everybody, but as you're growing into your beard, as I have, from definitely my late 20s into my 30s, I found a big increase in my beard growth, and that is because of beard products. So depending on their balms or oils or butters, it's actually gonna give you a great way for you to transition from a maybe smaller or thinner beard into a more robust and bigger beard. Number three, and this is actually if you have gone past that awkward stage, is beard oil gives your beard a thicker and bigger presence. As we were talking about in number two, this is going to help you out in your beard game when it comes to the robustness and the thickness of your beard. Because if you think about it, just like beard oil, beard balm, beard butter, you're actually putting a coating around the hair, increasing the thickness of it, and it also gives a shine and sheen that a lot of people are gonna be able to notice and see. Now for extra credit, we're gonna throw a number four, and of course, the scent of the beard oil is awesome. For me too, as well, as I'm applying beard oil, I like to go ahead and rub it into my skin because there's always a little excess oil or some residual oil that I have on my hands. So I'll go ahead and rub it in my skin, or depending on if my neck is, the higher line on the neckline, I'll go ahead and rub it in. And once again, it actually moisturizes. It's almost a cologne. So it's a little bit extra that you can use because sometimes I just, depending on what kind of beard oil, some seasons, it doesn't matter. Like if it's Christmas time, I'll put in some peppermint. If it's, summertime, I'll put in some cedar or bark. It just depends. Is bark even a smell? Enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and put in some beard oil to show you guys, if you're new to the game, how it can increase your beard life game, okay? So we got Volts, we've got their Outback, and this is their lube. This is a moisturizing and hydrating beard oil. I'm gonna put in a copious amount. I don't care, because you know what? If it's too much, and a good note for you guys, you can always pull out the hair dryer and actually evaporate some of that beard oil if you put a little too much. So I've got a good amount, probably about 5 drops. We're gonna rub it in both hands, and we're just gonna rub it into the beard. And like I said, if you're having a lot of itch, go ahead and use your fingers and your nails and just go ahead and start pushing into the skin, and that's gonna help you alleviate some of that itch and that problem. And so I like to finish off by coming down from the sideburns, down into the chin, and once again, if I have a little bit of excess, I'm gonna go ahead and rub it in my neck. And of course, if I need a little bit more, I'll go ahead and rub it in my arms. Once again, that's gonna create almost like a cologne. You're gonna smell great, it's gonna look good, and it's gonna feel good. So remember, these products aren't just for the faint of heart. They're not there just to have a scent. They actually help you out with your growth in the promotion of either thickness or the density of your beard. And so that's why we have them. We have these tools of brushes and combs, wax and butters. And like I said, it's not just for the faint of heart. It's there to help you out maintain that bustle of the beard. Because that's some of the reasons why I don't have my big beard right now, is the maintenance sometimes, the heat, it's just too much. But as the winter time comes, I don't have to worry too much about the heat, the humidity. So once again, from everybody here at Volt, we appreciate you guys coming along. Make sure to check out the shorts, go down the description, check everything out. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.